What's up, U-Haul Master Mechanic with you again today. Today we got a 2004 Buick Rendezvous. You know, these motherfuckers have a rack of problems. Buick Rendezvous. You know, the little truck. Alright, anyway, problem with this one was it will not stop. It will not get no spark to the spark plug. You pull a wire, turn it over, you don't get no spark, man. So what we gonna go with the ignition. We're gonna go with the ignition coil and the ignition control module. That sits up in here. Let me take you over here. Alright, now we got the old, here we go. This is the old. See our old part right here is your ignition coils up top. It's your ignition control module down bottom. That's this board right here. That goes up under these coils right here. So if these coils are not sparking, then 9 times out of 10 it's this board right here. You want to put this board in there and add you a new coil if you want to, and it all go together right here. So what we about to do, we about to put it together, and we're gonna get it back in the truck and see if we can get a spark out of it, and then find out where to go from there. We probably gonna have to put the computer on it because it did have some codes before it went down. So we're gonna get all this together, and then we're gonna come back and see what's good.